Hello, this is Garemore. Today I have another project involving the Arduino and BT201. They still got the same display. You notice that I replaced the buttons with Rotary Encoders. This one is for the track selections and play pause. This is for the mode selection and volume controls. It's a little bit laggy, but it's put on Bluetooth. I think I'm on Bluetooth mode. There it goes. So I'm sure to go back to the previous or not. Yep, there we go. It works. This should be USB. Pause that. See, it is showing the song name. There it is. Next thing I'm going to test is the phone calls. It's not working. Let's try again.
Hear more.
To answer, you press this rotary encoder in. My phone's volume wasn't up all the way. Press this in, it should skip it. It should disconnect it. That's a feature in the BT201 module. If you get a phone call or notification, it switches to Bluetooth mode automatically. I also implemented a feature in code to disable it if you don't want that. It's not implemented on this project, but there it is now. We're on Bluetooth. That's USB. We hold this button down, it will power off. Pressing either knob will wake it up. Should work now. It's not reading it properly, apparently. Now it says it's powered off.
BT201 audio. Tough for more in Alex Elena. Reasons to smile. Play. Voice control.
It's working. Now the Bluetooth is active again. So that's just emulating a notification. They're going to power it off again. Notification. It will also wake up when you get a phone call or notification. I didn't know that. That's the end of this video. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, follow me on social media. Support me by buying from my stores. All those links are in the description. Goodbye.